Hi everyone, my name is Amit Indurkar. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I have completed my MA in 2022. After I came to know about eVision 45 days live internship program through Sati ma'am. While internship program, I learned about basic networking, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, and ITIL, and many more. After completed 45 days live internship program, I also gained a good skill and placement training program. Now I am placed in good company, that is Kaizen Private Limited, as a desktop support engineer with a good package. And especially thanks to Satya ma'am and Priya ma'am and Ganesh Murthy sir for the good guidance and support to us to get a placement. Thank you, sir.